everyone, welcome back. If you are new, I am ℙ𝕣𝕠𝕕 and I am the eclectic herbalist. And in today's video, we are doing January's unboxing for Apothecary at Home. And the theme for this month is Deep Detox, which, if you've been following me for a year, I did one last year as well. I have not opened the box yet because it's sitting over there, and I'm going to do that. But I think we got different stuff in this one than we did last year because I don't remember getting burdock root. Oh, we only got 2 herbs. Oh no, we did. I don't know what just happened there, but we got milk thistle seed. Okay, well, we'll do that unboxing. Let's go ahead and get to the herbal actions. Ooh, color. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Saying words I can't pronounce stress me out, but they're in the PDF and you can really just, I don't know. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and I will see you when you return. Bye! As mentioned, this month's theme is Deep Detox, and for next month it looks like it will be heart healing. Now, if you aren't familiar with what Apothecary at Home is, it is just a monthly subscription box that sets you up with herbs and all the tools you need to get your at-home apothecary started. If you would like to grab the month of April's box, go ahead and click the link below. Unfortunately, I do not have the 15% off discount. First out of the box is our loose leaf tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, and this time we have peppermint, nettle, dandelion, licorice root, ginger, and milk thistle for detox. Next up, we have 2 4-ounce glass mason jars. These are for our macerations, and these are something we get in every box. After that, we do have 2 amber glass dropper bottles for our finished projects. Next out of the box is our 2 muslin straining bags. These also come in every package, and this is just for straining our projects at the end. Next up is one of my favorites, some hand-drawn sketches from the owner's mother, Virgie. First is the sketch of nettle. Second is a sketch of milk thistle. And lastly is a sketch of burdock root. I use these for my monographs, that's why I love them. Another common item in every box are these labels to name and date our projects. This month our surprise gift was a face mask. I actually still have the one from last year, so I have 2 to use. Another thing I love about the box is we always get a pack of seeds for one of the herbs that we have. This month we got nettle. Alright, and next out of the box is 2 ounces of burdock root. Medicinally, burdock root can help with skin infections such as rashes or even acne and boils. Magically, you'd want to use burdock root for any cleansing spells or protection spells. Then we have 2 ounces of nettle leaf. Medically, you'd want to use nettle in spring tonics to help flush out any excess fluid through the urinary tract system. Magically, nettle is believed to be used to ward off any evil spells, witchcraft, or sorcery. Lastly was our bonus herb, and it was 1 ounce of milk thistle. Medicinally, you could use milk thistle to help with liver disorders and gallbladder problems. Magically, you can use milk thistle for a wide range of things, including but not limited to healing, purification, cleansing, happiness, protection, and strength. And the very last thing out of the box is just this health disclaimer. As I always say, if you haven't read it, you will want to. If you have read it, file it away. And that is all for the month of January. As I said, if you would like to catch the month of April's box, I do have the link below. Unfortunately, because I am no longer with them at this time, you will not receive a 15% off discount. Welcome back. So I'm looking at the recipes. Ooh, a recipe hangover helper. Wine! So there is that. Up next we do have the herb of the month. I don't know what it is because I did not get a PDF. I did not get that email. And like I said, I haven't opened anything yet, so it's a surprise for all of us. So let's go ahead and get into that, and I will see you when you return. So like Apothecary at Home, if you are unsure what Herb of the Month Club is, it is just kind of a spin-off that Apothecary at Home had, and it is a month-to-month subscription just like the other box, except in this one we focus on one herb for the month, and this month it looks like red clover. First, to get us started, we do have a red clover herbal monograph. It is front and back, so if you are putting together your medica materia or materia medica, I always get it confused, you might want to add this. Next up, we do have our red clover bingo, so you can do projects, write about it, and then on the back it just explains what red clover bingo is. Next, we do have a hand-drawn sketch of red clover from the owner's mother Virgie, along with a coloring sheet on the back. We also get a small pack of red clover seeds. Oh, my garden's gonna be so beautiful when I get it going. Next up, we did get this tincture from Airy Fairy Apothecary. I haven't used it, and right now it is currently packed away, so I don't have it to look at to read better than what I can see on here. But there's that. And then we got two 2-ounce bags of red clover, so basically 4 ounces altogether. Medicinally, red clover is great to help with menopause symptoms and osteoporosis. It does have a history of helping with whooping cough, cancer, and gout, but today it is used for menopause. And that is all for this month. I do have one more month coming up, so be on the lookout for that. Alright, welcome back. I just looked at the email, so I believe it's red clover. Hopefully it's red clover. That was our unboxing of red clover. I hope you enjoyed. See what we can make with that. Hopefully I'll get a PDF sometimes. Sometimes I do get them late. Yeah, I've gotten all of them so far, but sometimes I do get them late. My next video is going to be, I don't know what my next video after this one's going to be. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't plan. I know the next one I'm filming after this one is elderberry syrup. That's safe for kids because my children love it. So if you want to catch that whenever it's posted, hit that subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.